Hey, lipstick besties. So, I am so excited to be back and share with you guys these beautiful, glitzy, glamorous, glittery lip balms, you guys. Of course, they are dupes, and shout out to Juanita Miglio for hitting me up in my private message and asking for this beautiful lip balm she was inspired by a long time ago. There are several companies with this lip balm, but I cannot wait to show you my spin on it. Stay tuned. Let's mix it up. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Let's mix it up. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Lipstick game. Mix it. Lipstick game. Let's mix it up.
Is this glittery goodness? We have to try this. I mean, hello? Look at the sparkle on that. This is their Glacier Lip Balm, and it says super shimmery, vegan, cruelty-free, and infused with vitamin E and shea butter. And my lips need the hydration. I don't have any lipstick on, just powder on my lips because I was about to go in with lipstick. And then I opened this package and this automatically stole the show. Why do I like it on top of the powder minus my cracked lips? The shimmer is all the way through. It's not just on the outside. This feels good. This looks good. What on earth is this glittery goodness? We have to try this. I mean, hello?
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you got it right. Body with a scum polite. Don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight.
All right, lipstick gang, before I jump into today's video, I just wanted to mention that today's full recipe will be on my Patreon as per usual, and for a small monthly pledge of $5 per month, you will have access to Patreon exclusives. You'll be able to request your dupes or whatever it is that you want to see on the channel or in Patreon in this little cool feature called the community chat. You'll also have access to member discounts, early access to my YouTube videos, and so much more. I can't wait to see you there. So back to my inspiration. I found this idea on TikTok and I'm obsessed. So here we are with the Very Veelo Beauty lipstick bullet base. I'm going to go ahead and add that to my little glass beaker. And I'm just going to melt that down, of course. This is very similar to a lipstick bullet, but it obviously won't be a pigmented product. It won't be like as pigmented, or if anything pigmented at all. It's definitely gonna give sheer and more on the sheer side, with the exception of the mica. So the mica is gonna give it like this little glitter, pearlized, iridescent vibe. And here I am just assembling the mold. And I didn't oil my mold this time because I find that when I just allow the lipstick to mold completely for the full 30 minutes, it comes out anyway. So I am just sitting the top over that mold. And over here on my left, you're going to see a little time lapse of the lipstick base melting down nicely, which is what we are going to be using as the base for our balms, especially since it already has all of the oils: avocado, almond, coconut, and if you're doing allergen free, of course it would be like an allergen free oil like castor oil. And so here I am, I'm just mixing in some gold Enigma mica. That is the mica of my choice today to create this white, iridescent, galaxy looking lip balm. So I'm just going to mix that in really good, really fast, because you know this lipstick bullet base does not play when it comes to taking shape and molding really quickly. So I'm moving fast and I'm checking the temperature along the way. And I just want to make sure that you check this. My base is already pre-made with the preservative, so as long as it's below 170 degrees, you are free to go ahead and add it in to the mold, because the preservative has not been burnt off by the heat. But if you are making your own base and you hadn't and you have not yet added the preservative to the base, now would be a good time to do so. So here we are going in with our second color balm, which is going to be like a nice light pink balm. And again, I'm adding my lip gloss, excuse me, my lipstick bullet base to the beaker, and then I'm going to place it directly on the hot plate. As you can see, this hot plate is flat, which gives me the advantage to be able to set the beaker right on top of it. Of course, if it had coils, I would not do that. But yes, I'm going to go ahead and mix my mica together, which is basically the gold Enigma mica again. And then I'm going in with some red 27 pink to make this mica pink. I love the versatility of the gold Enigma mica for this very reason, because you can add any lake to it to basically get the color mica that you want. And our base is already melted down and ready for us to go. And be careful, because I literally like almost burnt myself. So yes, it does move really, really fast as far as melting. So I'm going to take a little paper towel, oven mitt that I made. And I'm just going to add in my mica, that pretty pink mica that you seen me mixing together with the silicone spatula. And again, I'm going to move fast, fast, fast to get that mica incorporated into the base. And I'm going to go ahead and pour that right away into the mold. Be sure to check your temperature, just like the example that you seen me show before. But yes, I'm going to take these babies off to the freezer, and I'm going to let them mold for at least 30 minutes.
I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it.
Alright, so now that our babies are ready out of the freezer, I'm just going to scrape away the excess with a sanitized spatula, just like a little sanitized makeup spatula. You can get them from Amazon for very cheap in like a big bag. So here I am, I'm twisting the lipstick tubes all the way up, and I'm placing them all the way down. You want to make sure that you push all the way down gently, of course, so that they don't mess up, and they came out perfect, if I might say. So here I am. I'm just going to take these up a notch from basic to, ooh, baddie, honey. I'm going to go ahead and put some glitter on these, and they are going to be so cute. They are the cutest things, even though they don't really give off color payoff. I mean, the presentation and just having something pretty and cute to look at has never hurt anybody at all. Okay, just look at that. Thank you so much, Juanita, for suggesting this beautiful inspiration of a lip balm, okay? And this is my first time making lip balm as well. And here I am just doing the same thing with that pretty pink. The glitters I got from Bolt Glitters. These are the ultra fine glitters. The first one was ultra clear cloud or something like that, and then now this one is called Strawberry Feels. Both will be listed in the description as well as the PDF. You guys, I'm obsessed, really obsessed with the way that these came out. And of course, you guys know they are lip balms, and they are going to be sheer. So even though they are sheer, it gives a nice little shimmer with a nice little undertone. We got a gold undertone going and a pink undertone going. And I feel like if you even pair this with a liner or put a gloss on top of it, it will give you that perfect lippy. Love, love, love the way these turned out. As always, lipstick besties, this brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for allowing me to share my gift with you. As always, stay blessed. Until next time, love you.